Albert Einstein, a name synonymous with genius, was born in Ulm, Germany, on March 14, 1879. This small town, nestled on the banks of the Danube River, would be the starting point for one of the greatest minds in history. My parents, Hermann and Pauline, were Jewish and ran an electrical equipment business. They were hardworking and instilled in me the values of perseverance and curiosity.
Young Albert was a curious child, fascinated by the world around him. His inquisitive nature often led him to ask profound questions about the universe. He received a compass as a gift at age 5, sparking his lifelong fascination with science. This simple instrument opened his eyes to the mysteries of magnetic fields and unseen forces.
Contrary to popular belief, Albert did not speak until he was 4 years old. His delayed speech worried his parents, but it did not hinder his intellectual development. He also had difficulty reading, which led some to believe he was slow. However, this was far from the truth. His mind was simply wired differently. Einstein possessed a deep-seated curiosity and a unique way of thinking that would later revolutionize our understanding of the universe. His unconventional approach to problems set him apart from his peers. He excelled in mathematics and physics, but clashed with the rigid teaching methods of the time. His teachers often misunderstood his brilliance, mistaking his questioning nature for defiance. These formative years laid the foundation for his groundbreaking work in the years to come. The challenges he faced only fueled his determination to understand the world in a way no one else could.
Einstein's path to academic success was not without its hurdles. He faced challenges in his formal education, struggling with rote learning and clashing with authoritarian teaching styles. At age 16, I dropped out of high school, finding the rigid structure stifling to my inquisitive mind.
Despite these setbacks, Einstein's passion for physics and mathematics remained undeterred. He later applied to the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich, a renowned institution known for its science and engineering programs. His initial application was rejected due to his lack of a traditional high school diploma. However, Einstein persevered, completing his secondary education at a Swiss school and gaining admission to the Polytechnic in 1896.
At the Polytechnic, I thrived in the more liberal academic environment, excelling in physics and mathematics. The year 1905 marked a turning point in my life and in the history of science. This year, now known as my Annus Mirabilis or Miracle Year, saw me publish 4 groundbreaking papers that revolutionized physics.
One of these papers introduced the world to the theory of special relativity, challenging the established Newtonian view of space and time. Einstein proposed that the speed of light in a vacuum is constant for all observers, regardless of their relative motion.
This idea led to the concepts of time dilation, length contraction, and the equivalence of mass and energy, famously expressed in the equation EmC2. Special relativity laid the groundwork for many technological advancements, including particle accelerators and nuclear energy. Einstein's work on special relativity left me with a crucial question. How does gravity fit into this new picture of space and time? I embarked on a decade-long quest to reconcile gravity with my theory of special relativity, culminating in the development of my theory of general relativity in 1915.
General relativity reimagines gravity as a curvature of space-time caused by the presence of mass and energy.
General relativity predicted phenomena like gravitational lensing and the precession of Mercury's orbit, providing a new framework for understanding the universe. It also laid the foundation for cosmology as a scientific discipline. In addition to my groundbreaking work on relativity, I made significant contributions to other areas of physics, including the emerging field of quantum mechanics.
One of Einstein's seminal works, published in 1905, provided a detailed explanation of the photoelectric effect, where electrons are emitted from a material when light shines on it, a phenomenon that puzzled scientists at the time.
This work challenged the classical wave theory of light, which could not explain why the energy of the emitted electrons depended on the frequency of light, not its intensity, a key observation.
Einstein's explanation relied on the revolutionary concept of light quanta, or photons, initially proposed by Max Planck.
When a photon strikes an atom, it can transfer its energy to an electron, causing it to be emitted from the material, a process that was experimentally verified.
This groundbreaking work provided strong evidence for the particle nature of light, a concept that was revolutionary at the time.
My pioneering work on the photoelectric effect earned me the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921, laying the foundation for the development of quantum mechanics and changing our understanding of light and matter forever. As my scientific fame grew, so did the political turmoil in Europe. The rise of Nazism in Germany cast a shadow over my life and work.
Being Jewish and an outspoken pacifist, Einstein became a target of Nazi persecution.
In 1933, while visiting the United States, I made the difficult decision to not return to Germany. I accepted a position at the newly founded Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey.
Einstein's emigration marked a significant loss for Germany and a gain for the United States.
In America, I continued my scientific work while also becoming a vocal advocate for peace and social justice. I spoke out against racism and war, using my platform to promote human rights and international cooperation.
The outbreak of World War II in 1939 cast a long shadow over Einstein's pacifist ideals, challenging his deeply held beliefs about peace and conflict.
While personally opposed to war and the use of atomic weapons, I found myself in a moral dilemma. I recognized the potential danger of Nazi Germany acquiring such a devastating weapon, which could lead to unprecedented destruction.
In 1939, at my urging, Einstein wrote a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt expressing our grave concerns. The letter warned him of the potential for Germany to develop an atomic bomb, a threat that could not be ignored.
This letter urged the United States to begin its own research into nuclear fission, leading to the establishment of the Manhattan Project.
Although I did not directly participate in the Manhattan Project, my initial warning played a pivotal role in its initiation and subsequent development. My letter to Roosevelt was a catalyst that set the wheels in motion for this monumental project.
The use of atomic bombs against Japan in 1945 filled Einstein with profound sadness and regret, as he had hoped for a different outcome. He became a vocal advocate for nuclear disarmament, dedicating his later years to promoting peace and preventing future conflicts.
I warned against the dangers of nuclear proliferation, emphasizing the need for global responsibility. Advocating for peace and international cooperation, I sought to ensure that such devastating weapons would never be used again. Throughout my career, I was driven by a desire to uncover the underlying unity of the universe. I believed that the universe's fundamental forces were interconnected, manifestations of a single, elegant theory. This pursuit of a unified field theory became my primary focus in the latter part of my life. I spent decades working on this grand unification theory, seeking to weave together the fabric of space-time with the quantum world. Despite my efforts, a complete and consistent theory of everything remained elusive. The complexities of unifying quantum mechanics with general relativity proved an insurmountable challenge. While my quest remained unfinished, it laid the groundwork for future generations of physicists. Beyond my scientific contributions, I was a profound thinker whose insights extended far beyond physics. My philosophical views reflected a deep sense of wonder, a commitment to rational thought, and a profound respect for the mysteries of the cosmos. I was a determinist, believing that the universe operates according to strict laws of cause and effect. I famously rejected the probabilistic nature of quantum mechanics, stating, "God does not play dice with the universe." However, I also recognize the limitations of human understanding, acknowledging that our perception of reality is limited. My philosophical outlook emphasized the importance of curiosity, imagination, and the pursuit of knowledge. I believed that the universe is fundamentally comprehensible and that the pursuit of scientific understanding enriches the human experience. Albert Einstein's legacy extends far beyond the realm of scientific discovery. His name has become synonymous with genius, his iconic image instantly recognizable worldwide. His theories have revolutionized our understanding of the universe, from the smallest subatomic particles to the vast expanse of the cosmos. Einstein's work has had a profound impact on technology, leading to countless innovations, including GPS, lasers, and nuclear energy. His theories continue to shape our understanding of the universe, inspiring new generations of scientists. But Einstein's legacy extends far beyond the scientific realm. His unwavering commitment to peace, social justice, and the power of reason continues to inspire people around the world. Albert Einstein, the quintessential genius of the 20th century, left an indelible mark on the world. His revolutionary theories reshaped our understanding of the universe, while his commitment to peace and social justice inspired generations. Einstein's life is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the importance of challenging established norms. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we carry with us the flame of curiosity that burned so brightly within him. Einstein's legacy reminds us that the universe is full of wonders yet to be uncovered, and that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey that knows no bounds.